working at another company. I was working as their parts manager, and I had several people on our staff that whenever they would run into a hiccup or any sort of problems where we couldn't get a part or something through our normal supply chain, that the first thing I'd watch everybody do would go out to Google and start Googling it to try to figure out where can I find this thing.
We saw that manufacturers were sourcing parts, that the customers were shopping on the internet, and that the service industry was no longer providing service.
So the real idea for HHP was, can we become the person on the other side of Google? So when, not even people from our own company, but also other companies, and being a real resource to everybody out there that, they go Google, we come up, we've got good ranking, we're providing relevant content, we're trying to make this something that's a real value and a resource to people. Not just for parts, but in other things that can help their business.
What we hopefully do for all of our customers, in addition to providing an excellent product, is we sell the service. We help the customer be more profitable with our product. But service, customer service, urgency, and being courteous to our customer and understanding their business is our key.
From the people that answer the phones, all the way to our parts technical people, all the way to our financial department, making sure that everybody is on top of it, working with the customers, making sure they're getting taken care of, and that the customers are absolute top priority.
You can go here, you can go there, you can go anywhere to buy stuff. And what I find myself is if I walk into a place and I know more about the product that they're selling than they know, I don't see a lot of value in that.
And we put profit second. It is important that we make money. We have to make money to be in business, but our customers have to make money. And if you make money, we will make money, and it'll all work out in the end. But that is our mission, is to figure out how to make our customer profitable so they are always number one.
And I think that's part of the difference with HHP is when you call us and ask us about parts, we're knowledgeable about them, and we give you solutions, not just sell you parts.
We focus on what we do well, which is making sure that we're selecting the correct vendors to ensure that our customers are always going to have a quality product, success with that product, and that when they install it, they know that it's going to fit, finish, everything is going to be the same as what they expected, and they're not going to run into issues down the road. So when they install that part, that they can expect it to last as long as what the original did, or longer.
Customer is always a customer. Some people say the customer is always right, but our philosophy is the customer is always a customer, and we have to take care of the customer, no matter what that means.
Everything from making suggestions on what you should do with this repair, to running parts to UPS at night because we miss a UPS truck, but we know how important it is for them to get their part.
We work with a lot of small to medium-sized repair shops that really are target customers. They're our favorite customers.
It's a lot of small companies. The guy that writes the check is also the guy that works on the truck, that also looks up the part, that also, he's the one guy that manages the whole operation.
Small companies don't always have the luxury of having a parts department or an expert on one particular engine or troubleshooting.
Here's what you're into, here's what you need. Yes, you got recommended the right parts, or no, here's actually based on the amount of volume that we see.
And I think that's probably one of the big advantages for the smaller company that doesn't have a dedicated parts person. We can free up his time to do more productive stuff, and he can be more profitable from it.
We try to take a consultative approach to selling. We don't just want to sell something for the sake of selling something. We want to make sure that that customer is getting what they need.
We have a quality product. We have high sense of urgency, but most of all, we will do what it takes to get the job done. We care about your business, and that's the most important thing.